Hi everyone. What I'll be making for you today is guacamole. I know it's not Italian, but gotta eat other food, right? So what I have here are 10 avocados, some lime, salt, granulated garlic, some cut up tomatoes. If you don't want to put the tomatoes in, you don't have to put it in. I take the inside out and just leave the shell. And some onion and, what is that, cilantro? I chopped it up so it's very fine, and we'll put it in after I cut up the avocados. So what you do here is you slice the avocado. If you have an easy way of getting the avocados opened, by all means use it and share it. Okay, so here, wow, that's a beautiful avocado. This is how you take the shell out. And so what you do is cut it. And you take it out of the shell. You do it with all 10 avocados. So I'm gonna do all the avocados and I'll be back when I'm done cutting them up. Okay, so I cut up all the avocados, 10 of them. They were kind of small. And what you have to do is chop it up a little bit and get it kind of mush, but not all the way mush. Get the pieces small, kind of small. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, after you get it all chopped up, I'm gonna add in a good portion of cilantro, and I use red onion. You could use whatever onion you want. Anyway, so I smell the cilantro. It smells wonderful. It didn't smell in the bag. We were kind of worried. My son kept smelling it, but it didn't smell of anything too much. And so then I'm going to add some salt and some granulated garlic. About a teaspoon. I'm going to eyeball it. You know me. Oh, that's about it. And you could use tomato. You don't have to use tomato. I use just the outside of the tomato, not the inside with all the seeds. And last but not least, lime juice. Let's see if any lime juice comes out of here. You could serve this with crackers. We like to use tostitos. Okay. More lime juice. This is a tough one. Use the lime juice according to your taste. You could put jalapenos in here if you want. That's if you like hot and spicy. But we don't go too much for that. I don't mind a little bit, but I don't like a lot. My grandson could put, Sonny could put fire in his mouth. He likes the spicier the better. Anyway, mix it up, but it's delicious. Let me take a little teeny taste. That's good. I'll show you a picture of what it looks like in the dish. It's a great appetizer. Until next time.